Let's clone a random website design I found in Pinterest using anti-gravity and the universal applicable prompt. So let's find a random website from Pinterest. So here, this is the homepage. You can see it right here because I like Office series. Yeah, I like Office. So I'll come over here and search for front-end design. I already searched it up, so that's why I'm done typing it again. So front-end design, and here you gonna see a ton of design ideas and inspirations to get. Let's scroll down and find something useful. I think this works better, so I'll gonna download it, download the image, and that's it. Now let's go to the second step. This is the prompt I'm gonna use to clone the website, and this prompt can be used in anywhere, and you can clone any website you like. And this single prompt can create 3 prompts to clone the website. You can find the link in the description. You can take that. Let's gonna copy this prompt. As for the third step, we gonna paste that prompt right over here to ChatGPT. You can use Gemini, Claude, or anything, but I'm here using ChatGPT, and then add that reference image. Now we have everything. We have the prompt and the reference image. Now let's enter and see how it goes. So as for the first phase, it is analyzing the image and then telling all about the reference image we have added. And as for the second phase, it is designing system detection and then UI style, component breakdown, and everything is working really fine. And also it creating the first prompt, second prompt, and third prompt. After that, I told ChatGPT to show that prompts in a copy and paste format. So this is a copy and paste format, and we have about first prompt, second prompt, and it's creating the third prompt. Okay, third prompt. We have total of 3 prompts actually. So after finishing that, let's paste that prompt one by one in our gravity. Now let's paste the prompt one by one. So come over here and copy the first prompt. Okay, I'm gonna copy the first prompt and then go to anti-gravity and paste that prompt right over here and with the reference image, and we have added the reference image and enter. Now let's paste a second prompt. Second prompt, copy the second prompt here and then paste it right over here and enter. Now let's paste the third prompt and enter. Okay, it's completed. Local hosted it, so I will show you. And we have copied the website, but there is no images, but we can manually add that, that's for sure. And this is the website we created using anti-gravity, and it's really looking fine. And we go to service section, features section, and testimonials. Yeah, testimonial section is really cool, man. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can clone a website using anti-gravity with using reference image and that one single prompt that can generate the 3 prompts for you. So that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next awesome video. Thank you for watching.